In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a simple expense tracker in Google Sheets. Start by opening Google Sheets on your desktop and creating a new blank spreadsheet. Think of this as your central place to record where your money goes. In the first row, we'll set up clear headers so everything stays organized. Click into A1 and type Date. In B1, type Expense Category. In C1, type Amount. And in D1, type Expense Type. Here's how each column works. The Date column is simply the day you made the purchase. The Expense category is a short label like groceries, rent, utilities, transportation, or entertainment. The Amount column is the exact cost. Enter numbers only here so formulas work correctly. If you prefer, you can format those cells as currency later, but the important part is to keep the entries consistent. Finally, in Expense Type, you'll categorize each entry as fixed or variable. Fixed expenses are predictable and recurring, like rent, internet, or insurance. Variable expenses change from month to month, like dining out, fuel, or shopping. Pick the option that best matches each row so you can spot patterns over time. Once you have a few rows of expenses, add a running total. Scroll to the first empty cell below your amounts in column C and type each SUM C2 C100. Replace 100 with the last row that covers your current list. If your tracker grows past that, update the range later so the total includes everything. Keeping the range accurate ensures your total reflects your full list. Next, let's make the table easy to explore. Select the header row from A1 through D1. Go to Data in the top menu and choose Create a Filter. You'll see small filter icons appear on each header. These let you quickly focus on specific items. For example, click the filter icon on Expense Category to show just groceries, or use the one on Expense Type to display only fixed costs. Filtering doesn't change your data. It simply narrows what you're viewing so you can review categories more easily. From here, make it a habit to enter your expenses regularly. Each new row should include the date, a clear category, the amount, and whether it's fixed or variable. Consistent spelling and category names will make your filters more useful and your review process smoother. Over time, scan through your categories with the filters to understand where most of your spending happens, and use the total at the bottom to keep an eye on overall expenses. Save your sheet and your simple, reliable expense tracker is ready to use.